Thank you for watching operation video for JingWei SWT5008-NX2 wire stripping and twisting machine. First, please follow manual instruction to install the wire twisting unit. Now please allow me to show you machine's components. Wire outlet rollers, gap adjuster, pressure separation knob for wire outlet rollers, wire outlet rollers, blades holder, oil inlet, conduit, wire inlet rollers, pressure separation knob for wire inlet rollers, wire outlet rollers, gap adjuster, wire straighter. This part is wire twisting unit. Here are LCD display and a keyboard. This is a ruler, which is applied to measure the wires stripped and twisted. Now let's turn on the machine. Let me introduce you the function of each button. Buttons F1 to F5 are special function keys. Generally, we only use button F5. Press F5 to go back to operation page. Press count reset to delete counts during operation. Number keys are used to set parameters. Plus and minus. Press plus to plus parameters and press minus to minus parameters. The four cursor buttons are used to move cursor upwards, downwards, leftwards, and rightwards. Delete is used to delete parameters. E and C change button is used to switch languages. Reset is used to reset all parameters. Input and output are used in manual operation. Press input to feed wires in the machine. Press output to take out wire from the machine. Press auto dial and the machine will set wire diameter automatically. Wire is seldom used. Press cut and machine will cut off wire, which is also used under manual operation. Button set is used to set parameters. Press start to operate the machine. Press stop and the machine will stop after completing the current order. Press E-stop to stop the machine immediately. Press enter to confirm all the parameters. Press help if you have any questions during operation. Now let's see what parameters we can set and how to set. We can set 6 kinds of parameters, while we mainly set 3 kinds of parameters: wire stripping parameters, wire twisting parameters, and middle stripping parameters. Press cursor keys to choose the parameters you want to set. Now let me show you how to set wire stripping parameters. Shift the cursor to wire stripping parameters and press enter to parameters setup page. Please refer to manual for the meaning of each parameters and ways of setting up. After setting all parameters, please press button F5 to go back to operation page. Press start button to start working. The machine has 4 functions. For the 4 wires, from left to right, there are 4 stripping, half stripping, middle stripping, and wire twisting. If you want to twist the wires, please set half stripping parameters.